Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a product from Philips to share with you guys. So it is the Philips Fresh Air Mask. Let's open it up. Wow, okay. This is the face mask, as you can see. The texture is very smooth. It feels like, I can't really explain how it feels like, but it's very thin. It's like a mesh, and then you have some sort of a device in there. Later I'll just find out more about this as I read the press kit. Yeah, it seems like there's a vent in there. So when you breathe, probably it will spin and then reveal the airflow. But let's continue to explore this together. You have one set of, I guess this is the mask filter. This is the mask filter. And you have USB 2.0 to charge this, I guess. I saw on the front of the box, right, there's light coming out here. It looks good. I mean, it looks very mysterious, like a superhero, winter soldier kind, but not over the top. Some designs out there in the market, it's a bit over the top. It's very big, or it tries to get attention. But people like me, we don't really want to capture people's attention. We just want something discreet where we walk about and protect us properly. I think the next criteria is why there's a need for a filter. I think it's because if you look at this mask properly, there's a bit, because it's a mesh, you can see there's small holes. So I think when you put this in, it's a layer of protection, or the real protection comes with the face mask, the mask filter. There's the guide. Okay, let's take a look at the guide. This is Mandarin. They're all Mandarin. So it says the USB face mask needs to be charged right at the back. So you see there's a hole here, there's a port here where you can charge it. And then this is the ventilation. No shit, Sherlock. This is a ventilation. And then this is the on-off button. Yes, this is actually the on-off button. Yeah, I think that's all. Oh, I just turned it on. Okay, I think you can see this. So when I press this button, right, it will start to ventilate the airflow. And then just now, when I just pressed 3 times, and I think that's 3 mode. So we press 1. Okay, that's 2. That's 3. So right now I'll try to fit this mask on my face. Alright, so let me just cut this off, this tag off. And then I'm gonna put this filter on. I'm very excited, there's an alternative to like surgical mask. And then I'm able to wear it without getting skin issues. Yeah, it's funny. Okay, so to fit this face mask in, right, there are 2 hooks here. And then the face mask, it also has right and left indication. So you just fit them in, as this. Just put it in. It's pretty idiot proof, so just put it in and then pull it down a bit to hook it properly, and then the ventilation should fit nicely. Yeah, hook, ventilation, just push it into the vent. Should be good. Let me test it on. Does it look cool? So when I press this, so this is the number 1 ventilation, the first mode. So when I breathe, you can feel that it's like trying to ventilate it. So when you breathe out, it's a bit louder. Let me try the second mode 2. Okay, let me try mode 3. Sorry that you cannot feel this, but I'm just going to explain to you in a second. Okay, so when it comes to the modes, right, I feel that mode 3 it's more comfortable for me when it comes to breathing. I think the modes have some direct impact on how you breathe. Let me just read some of the press key materials, in case I get something wrong. But it's quite comfortable. So the Philips Fresh Air Mask customized air power technology provides fresh airflow of up to 41 liters per minute for better breathing comfort as it removes trapped heat, moisture and carbon dioxide from within the mask quickly. So I guess the comfort that I'm feeling when I'm breathing right now it means it's working. It's removing carbon dioxide, trapped heat, noise and all. Yeah, I don't feel very wow, that word, I'm not going to say that word, but I have to moist in the mask itself. It feels very comfortable, and it has, okay, so exactly what I said, right? It has 3 speed modes to choose from that can easily be accessible via a button in the upper right corner of the fan module, helping reduce the wearer's exhalation resistance and improving comfort. It's micro porous, so this mesh over here, external mesh fabric combines flexibility and durability for an improved breathing experience and comfort, especially important for those who live an active lifestyle. I'll probably wear this and do some exercise later. And also this face mask is washable with replaceable filter. Yes, they do come with one. I think you can buy another one. The Philips Fresh Air Mask also incorporates a water-resistant fabric shell that can be washed each time you use it and comes packaged with, sorry, hold on, let me turn this off a bit. Packaged with an easily replaceable filter that reduces droplets, removing 95% of PM 2.5 particles and pollen. It also filters 99% of bacteria of 3, I don't know that symbol for now, for enhanced protection with a lifetime of up to 122 hours. Beyond protecting your lungs, this innovative material also protects the skin from the effects of UV light to work as a UPF 500 plus sunblock for the face. I think it's quite amazing, isn't it? I mean, this thing has so many layers of protection for you, not just breathing, but also UV. Last but not least, Philips also says that this air mask was designed with the use of 3D laser technology and shaping to fit the contours of the human face. I think this is why I cannot figure out what this material feels like, because it's 3D. I mean, when you touch it, right, you get a sense of it, but it's not a very common material that you touch every day. So you're just like, what is this material? Right? It's very, very fun opening this and using this for a while, just a bit. I will go and test out my run, to see whether this thing really works well, even for someone who's very active. I'm gonna try wearing it while running. I'm gonna try after running. I'm just gonna put this on and see whether it helps with the airflow in the mask itself. So stay tuned.